Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to teach you step by step how you can manage external applications like, for example, Asana, Trello, Google Calendar, and so on and so forth in your Slack account or in your Slack workspace. For example, to communicate with these applications, to use their features for your projects and to run your teams and projects, and to integrate them in your list of applications. So let us show you really quickly how you can do that, guys. It is actually no rocket science. So what you want to do first is head over to your workspace on Slack, log into your account, launch the Slack application, for example, via the web browser, and select your workspace here in the top left corner by hovering your mouse over the current workspace here and select your workspace. So let me go with this one here. And what you want to do next, guys, is take a look at that panel or list here to the left. So as you can see, here are the channels, here are the direct messaging section where you can communicate with your team members. And below you see a section called apps. And below you'll see a list of all integrated applications like the Slack bot, for instance. Here you may give it various commands by, I don't know, for example, using the message tool here at the bottom and typing in /forward and then use one of these suggested commands, or enter the first letter of the command like T, for example, or S or something like that, and you will see a list of suggested commands below so that you may use that, for example, to give the Slack bot various commands. But if you'd like to integrate, let's say, for example, other applications to link your account here on Slack with your account in the other application, guys, all you will need to do is simply integrate it here into your list of apps. This is how you can do it. Click into Add Apps here at the bottom of that list. That is going to redirect you to that library or portfolio here on Slack. So here you see all apps that you're currently using in the given workspace on Slack, as well as a couple of recommendations. But if you'd like to gain access to the entire Slack Marketplace, simply click into Browse Slack Marketplace here, or open in Slack Marketplace here in the top right corner. You may also use the search bar here at the top. So if I, for instance, type in, I don't know, ClickUp or something like that, I will see ClickUp listed under these available apps. So click into install here, or we may also head over to the Slack Marketplace just like that and wait for it to load. And there you go, you will see these apps and assistants listed below. You may also click into see all here to get a better overview, like for example, various daily tools and so on and so forth. So let me go, for example, with the aforementioned ClickUp. To do that, search for ClickUp here, and after that, under available apps, click into install here to the right. That is going to open up that menu here. So after that, wait for it to load, go through that short description if you like, to familiarize yourself with the features and functions, how you can use ClickUp in your Slack account. And if you'd like to link both of them, guys, simply click into this button here, Add to Slack. And after that, read through that description here or instruction. Now, ClickUp is not the best example, as you can see, because you will need to go through that instruction. So let me provide you with an easier example. So let me go, for instance, with, I don't know, for instance, with Google-based software and apps like, for instance, Google Drive. Click into it, and after that, you'll be redirected. So click into Add to Slack here. Again, make sure that you're logged in with your Google account, of course. After that, Google Drive will ask you for permission to link its account or your account on Google Drive with your Slack workspace. So if you're okay with that, click into Allow here or read through these permissions here. And after that, make sure that you're logged in with your Google account. If that's not the case, guys, log into it, confirm by clicking on Continue here. And there you go. As you can see, I have already access to, or my Slack workspace has already access to Google Drive. But if that's not the case for you guys, simply click into Continue here. And after that, your both accounts will be linked and also authenticated. There you go, so that you may, for example, exchange information between your Google Drive account and your Slack account. So once you have integrated the given application, guys, it will be listed here in your list of apps to the left. So you may access it like you access, for example, chats or conversations, and use the application here and the text box to communicate with the application and follow these instructions. For example, type this or that to give the given application the command. For instance, start stop, and so on and so forth. And that's basically it, guys. That's how you integrate applications, external apps in your Slack workspace. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.